Hello, everyone. My name is Dustin. The cybersecurity topic that I chose for my research is ethical hacking and penetration testing. I chose this topic because I find it very interesting to see how hacking is done and what all goes into it. Um, I think it's very interesting that companies hire people to ethically hack their systems to be able to find vulnerabilities and just different things that could be potential security risks for cyber criminals. Um, So to begin, we have ethical hacking, network scanning, port scanning, identifying vulnerabilities, and report writing. We have white hat hacking, aka ethical hacking. Exploit the target to find vulnerabilities. It identifies security risks in the target systems, find and fix security flaws in the system, use techniques such as network scanning, social engineering, code review, and vulnerability assessment. It also uses some methods as the same methods as malicious hackers, but for the ethical purposes. Um, my favorite topic has to be penetration testing, which is a subset of ethical hacking. Usually involves various stages and very specific methods. Um, it's used to test the effectiveness of the current security measures that are in place on the computer system or server. They gather information about a network, point out potential flaws in the system, and write reports on how to fix those flaws. The test areas, there's many different test areas such as web applications, networks, and physical security. Um, Penetration testing is used to help prevent against data breaches, unauthorized access, and other potential cyber threats. They often use stuff like network scanners and things like that across networks to be able to find information and vulnerabilities, like a ping scan where they ping a target computer to see if it's online and responsive. Port scanning to see which ports may be open on that network or that system. Service scanning to see what applications are running on those open ports and how easy they would be to exploit. Vulnerability scanning using special tools to check for known vulnerabilities on a network or a system. Um, and this can be very highly illegal if it's not done ethically or following the correct guidelines. Um, then usually the after they find out all this information, they write a report on the ease of access to the network and how the exploits were carried out so that the cybersecurity professionals that work for that company may fix those vulnerabilities. Um, in conclusion, I'm excited to learn the ways of ethical hacking and penetration testing. I find this topic very, very interesting, and I really like the thought process involved. It really makes you think and be creative, and that's something that I like to do. I hope to learn more about this topic in the future, and I definitely want to be able to put it to use and make the best of my learning. Um, so yeah, thank you. Appreciate it.